new here, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing another haul para sa inyo. Guys, marami to mga shoes at saka mga damit. So, I will just go ahead and start. I'm gonna start with this top that I'm wearing right now. It is from Shein and sobrang gustong-gusto ko siya. Look it, so colorful. I like the parang periwinkle na color chart. May pa-periwinkle talaga ako. And then I have more from Shein. I got this basic gray and white striped scoop neck top. Yeah, I really like the material. It's very soft. It feels really nice and kind of cooling actually. I like it. Okay, next one is another striped surprise. I really like this color. Parang teal or yeah, but black and white stripes, and I cannot wait to wear this shirt. I like it. Now this one is a t-shirt dress, which is gray, obviously, and then it just looks like that. So yeah, it is a bit big, but I will make it work. Next one is another t-shirt dress, which looks like this, and it has that really nice print right there, the girl with her sparkly glasses. It says thin honko. You can wear this with white sneakers and it's gonna look really cool. Next up are the stuff that I got from Romwe. I'm gonna start with this. I got this from Romwe. I cannot wait to wear this. Looks like that. I'm not really into closed sandals, but this one is okay because it has a zipper right here. So it's easy for it to wear and to take off, and I really like this color. It's a suede material. It's obviously kind of like an orangey brown shade. I like it. Next one is a romper. Looks like this. If you guys watch me, alam nyo na I'm really into rompers, and it just looks like that. The material is kind of like suede, but doesn't feel like suede. Like it looks suede, but doesn't feel like suede. It's kind of like a rough suede, if that even makes sense. And then the back has these buttons right here, and yeah, it smells kind of funky. Oh. Okay, next one from Romwe is this kimono. So aside from cardigans, rompers, I'm also really into kimonos. I have a black version of this from Armol, and I really like that, so I decided to get a white one from Romwe when I saw it. So it looks like that. I really like the print and the quality of the fabric. I really like as well. It's very lightweight. I also really like the lace effect dito sa baba. And yung sleeve niya, walang lace. Pero, yeah, I like. Ito is such a bummer because it doesn't fit me. I'm pretty sure this is extra small. Yep, extra small. So I thought it's gonna fit me. It's a one piece, obviously. And it has that kind of design. And then the side looks really sexy. If only it fits me, it will look really sexy, but it doesn't. Okay, last thing from Romwe is this two-piece right here. So the top looks like this. It says pink, not as good quality as the pink Victoria's Secret, but pwede na. It kind of feels like dry, if that makes sense. Like, you know, yung iba, very soft yung fabric. Ito parang medyo stiff na parang basta feeling ko dry siya, ganun. Pero it looks like that. Pwede na to pantulog kapag sobrang lamig na. Kasi meron siyang kasamang pants na meron ding sabi pink. Ano, wala. Oh yeah, meron. Pink. And then meron siyang pockets. And then, yeah. And then, now, onto the stuff that I got from Gearbest. So, I have mostly clothing. The first one is this one. I do not remember getting this. I'm pretty sure they just included it sa package because I don't see myself ordering this at all. Like, look at that. Nope, not my thing. And then this one looks like that. I really like the print, but it's kind of see-through, but it's okay. Like, I can wear this summer and like wear it like off the shoulder like that. Okay, next one is this bomber jacket right here. Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung same bomber jacket. Tapos, binigay ko siya sa kapatid ko. Actually, I still have it. I still need to send it to her when the time comes. Pero, I really like it. So I decided to get my own. And meron siyang pineapple, meron siyang cactus. And it is just a like bomber jacket, a really thick bomber jacket na you can wear during winter kapag malamig na. Okay, next one is this overall. No, hindi overall. Diba sa Pilipinas yung tawag natin dito jumper? But here, I do not know what they call this. Kasi yung jumper super nalilito yung jacket. So, I can't call this jumper here kasi parang hindi siya jacket. Pero you get the point. I already wore this in my vlog. Tapos I posted a picture on Instagram as well. It says Sunshine Girl. And I actually really like it, guys. Gustong-gusto ko siya i-pair sa aking sandals na nabili ko sa Recto. And then this one, I have worn sa vlog already as well during New Year's Eve. Ito yung sinuot ko nung nanood kami ng fireworks. Definitely my favorite item out of all na nakuha ko sa Gearbest. It looks like this. It is turtleneck. It's just gray and then it has pockets. The sleeve is just the perfect length para sa akin and it kept me warm. Next one is this hooded jacket right here. So meron siyang hood obviously and then meron siya yung ganyan na print na hindi ko alam kung saan galing yung print na yan. And then meron siyang pockets right here. Okay naman yung quality niya. Hindi siya kagaya nung isa na parang dry. Okay naman siya. Hindi siya pinaka-soft pero hindi siya like dry kagaya nung kanina. Okay, I have another hooded jacket right here. I do not know why, pero I have this. Just white and gray. Hindi ko siya masyadong bet. Okay lang siya, pero not like super special. Next one is this romper, if I can figure it out. Yep, so it is a romper. Ganyan, wait, ang hirap. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Ganyan. Tapos, yung baba niya, ganyan. Tapos, meron siyang tie sa waist. Tapos, yung tie niya, ang cute kasi meron tassels na ganyan. And yeah, it's just a romper. Medyo malaki siya sa akin. Medyo baggy siya dito sa part na to. So, kailangan ko siyang tahiin. If my time here, ito gustong-gusto ko siya. Kaya lang, over naman sa see-through, Kitang-kita naman yung ating mga kalamanan dyan. Pwede mo siyang i-cover up kapag pumunta ka ng beach. Ganon. Pero yeah, ang ganda niya, oh. Ito yung mga off-shoulder na ganap na ganyan. Ang ganda, diba? Kung sana lang meron siyang lining sa loob, pwede mo siyang i-wear on a daily. Hindi lang sa beach. Ito pala, at saka yung jumper, yung favorite ko. Kasi sobrang gustong-gusto ko to, guys. Gustong-gusto ko yung kulay niya. Yeah, it looks really nice. It is a dress. Like that. And the length is perfect sa akin. I'm so happy I got this. I cannot wait to wear this. It brings out the tan in you. See, I look really tan. I like it. Last one from Gearbest is this bag right here, backpack. Sino ba to character na to, guys? Because I do not know. Pero it looks like that. I do not know why I got a backpack. I think I'm gonna send this to my sissy when the time comes. When the time comes. But yeah. Or if she likes this, if she doesn't, then I need to keep it. Okay, moving on to TBdress. I have 3 pairs of shoes. So I'm gonna start with this bad boy right here. Oh, sandals pala. So I got this from TBdress. This is the size 34. It actually fits me. I tried this on already and yeah, I'm happy. It's again summer here, so I need more sandals. I don't need any more. I have enough. Okay, next up are these shoes right here. This looks really weird. This is definitely not the shoes that I would wear. Like, I don't like the heel look. I don't like na meron siyang konting heel. Basta hindi ko siya bet. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ito yung pinili ko, but it looks like that. Meron siyang ears. It looks cute. And I like the color. Hindi ko lang alam na meron pala siyang mga ganyang heel na ganap. For my shoes, gusto ko yung simple lang, yung manipis lang, yung hindi ganun ka nagka-catch ng attention, you know? This, you guys. This, though. This, though. Like, I do not know if I'm going to wear it. We'll see, but I just wanted to try it out. I didn't know that it's gonna be like this kind of brown. I thought it was deeper brown. This is just like hey, I have brown shoes. It's just too much. Plus it's really tall, so like, hey, I have shoes, look at me. I just hope they're comfy because they're so tall. They look kind of scary. And last 2 items from TBdress and last 2 items sa haul na to. The first one is, of course, another romper, which looks like this. It's just gray and then it has that tie detail right there. And it is just a romper. I told you guys, I live in rompers. And then the last one is another romper, of course. But this one is an off-shoulder one. I really like the color. It looks like that. And then again, it's just a romper. And meron din siya nung tie-tie na merong tassels na I really like. So yeah. And that is it for this haul. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye!